Fun fact, do you know that having 100,000 naira in 1995 was considered being rich? I think that is why you need a side hustle. Today we'll be talking about 15 different websites that you can use to chat online and make some money for yourself. Now, these websites have different ways you can use to earn money. Some you can become a customer service, some you can chat lonely people, chat with your customers. What you do is that you choose the one that works perfectly for you. Chatting job is only meant for women. Okay, I don't think that's true, but somebody told me that. I don't think it's true. Now, the first website on my list, they call this one Tigo app. It's just a normal chat app that you can use for video calls, audio calls. You can create a price for people to chat you. People can pay a certain fee for them to chat you. That is how this particular app right here actually works. Oh, how many of you know that subscribing to a YouTube channel costs you nothing? It's just to click on that white button and that's it. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Now, the next website on my list is this one they call Chat Shop. The 11th website on my list is my favorite. I'm going to tell you why the 11th website is my favorite. They call this one Chat Shop. We are the leading premium full service conversational agency, blah blah blah. So this is another website right here. They can come down here and get chatting jobs. They mainly deal on customers support and things like that. So you can come down here, join their team for you to be part of the team just like this, and you can get a chatting job from this particular website, either to be a customer support or something in that particular nature. All right, stay with me. Third one on my list is this one right here. They call arise.com. It's not working for us in Nigeria, so you need to use something like a proxy. Arise virtual solution. Arise is a website they can use to chat online. They offer different chatting jobs like customer support and so on and so forth. So do well to check this out too. Now, another one on my list is this one right here. They call this one LifeWall. LifeWall has so many functions, but one of the functions I like about them is this their career function and this their work function. Different chatting jobs right here. Before we continue, make sure you check out my Cirrden account, okay? Go check out my Cirrden account. I do talk about different side hustles there, and I also post my tutorials over there. So make sure you go check out my Cirrden account. Follow me, subscribe to support the effort, support or a virtual customer support. So do well to check out LifeWall too. It might not work for you, but do well to check it out if they have anything you need. But it's just another platform that you can use to get live chatting or chatting jobs or chatting gigs. So do well to check it out. All right, stay with me. The next one on my list right here is this one. They call this one Site Staff. So if you just search for Site Staff on Google, you're going to see connecting families with your community, 15 years of compassionate senior care. You chat with seniors, old people and things like that. You get paid to do that. If you only get the job, it works out for you. Perfect. If it doesn't, check for another website. All right, stay with me. The next one I have on my list right here is this one they call Needle. They call this one needle.com, but for some reason it's not loaded. You can see right here Needle chat jobs. You can see these are some of the available jobs that you can get from Needle, but I'm accessing Needle through indeed.com. So this is another job right here they can get, or this is another website they can get chatting jobs. So search for needle.com or Needle jobs on Google. Once you search for that, they're going to give you the option to open Indeed right here. You can see some of the jobs that are currently available on this particular website. All right, stay with me. Now, the next one right here on my list is this one, Week. They call it Week. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce that well. Customer service website that connect clients to different chat support. You can see all what you can do. Come here, click on join us. If you click on join us, they are going to take you to another page where you can join their team. You can apply to get some available jobs. You can see these are some of the jobs that are available. If you decide to join their team, these are some of the available jobs on this particular website. Come here and check. There are a lot of jobs right here. So let's enter page 2. These are some of the jobs. You're going to see different chatting jobs. Choose the one that are remote jobs and then you can apply for it. And if they accept you, perfect, you're going to get a remote chatting job, and that is how you get started on this particular website. Stay with me. Now, the next one right here is called Flexbox. Well, this one you might say it's mainly for women. You might say so, but it also works. But the problem there is that it's not working for Nigerians. So if you are a Nigerian, you can use something to access it, but it's not working for Nigerians. It's mainly for, I think, US or UK. They call it Flexbox. You also make money here just by chatting with people. So you can come here, check out this website. Now the next one on my list right here is this one. They call it Friendly. Friendly too is not available for us in Nigeria, or the website is totally down, as you can see right here. Stay with me. The next one right here, one of my favorite, they call it Chat Recruit. Can see they say why choose Chat Recruit. Can see they say no experience needed, so you don't even need an experience. Number 2, they say no joining fee. Now there are some websites that will require joining fee for you to join them, and the next one they say earn on your own terms, so you choose your rate for you to earn. So that is why I like Chat Recruit so much. Okay, so you can come down here and check out Chat Recruit. For some reasons I'm seeing more women than men on this website. Well, I did not say anything, I just say for some reason. Okay, so you can do what to come here and check this out and tell me what you think in the comment section. Stay with me. The next one I have is this one they call gambly.com. This one is a website where people come to learn languages. So what you do is that you can apply for their tutor jobs if you have any skill. Like I can see people come here to learn English language and things like that. So if you have any kind of language that you want to teach, so this person is from South Africa, this one is from America, and this one is also from America, and so on and so forth. This one is from United Kingdom, this is from Australia. So come down here and apply for tutor jobs to teach languages, and if you get accepted, well, you have a chatting job in your hand and you can get started. Stay with me. And the next one right here on my list is this one they call Mio. Mio is also a chatting platform. This is just a business messaging platform that connects all apps in one place. So if you can use it to host meetings for your company, you can use it to talk to your client and things like that. So that's what Mio right here is all about. This is if you already have a business or you want to talk to your clients and things like that. So come down here and use Mio. So this one will work out for that. Stay with me. Now the next one on my list right here is this one they call it livechat.com. Can see they say live chat software that gets the job done. So the same thing, you can use live chat here to chat with your clients or your customers and things like that. That is what live chat right here is actually all about. So come down here and check this. Now, the next one right here on my list is called Texting Factory. It's just like Flexbox. It's not available in Nigeria. You can see they say become a chat operator and work from home. You can see right here Texting Factory. So it's just like Flexbox, but it's not available for us right here in Nigeria. So if you want to use it, I believe you know what to do. Stay with me. The next one they call it Rent a Cyber Friend. So this is where you chat with different people, chat with clients, chat with different people and things like that. And by being a human, you be a human being, emotional, you feel empathy for people. It works in most parts of the world right here. So check it if this particular platform works for your country, and that is how you get started. It's very, very simple. So tell me what you think about these platforms. These are 15 different chat platforms that they can use it in different ways to chat with people